Hey there, welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of mini drones with cameras. We'll be comparing two popular models, the ATTOP mini drone and the RADCLO mini drone with camera. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive right into it and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The ATTOP mini drone comes in at just $49, making it an affordable option for those on a budget. On the other hand, the RADCLO mini drone with camera is priced slightly higher at $65. While it may be a bit more expensive, it offers some additional features that we'll discuss later. So if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the ATTOP mini drone might be the way to go. Now let's talk about the camera and FPV, first-person view experience. The ATTOP mini drone allows you to capture HD pictures and videos, and you can even connect your phone to the drone to watch a live video feed. This feature provides a fantastic FPV experience, giving you a first-person view of the drone's flight. It's a great option for those who want to capture breathtaking moments and enjoy the thrill of flying. On the other hand, the RADCLO mini drone with camera takes it up a notch. It offers a 1080p HD 90 degrees manually adjustable lens, providing a wider field of view for those stunning aerial shots. You can also enjoy 1080p HD pictures and videos via the RADCLO FPV app, and share them easily on your social media. So, if you're looking for a more advanced camera and an immersive FPV experience, the RADCLO mini drone might be the one for you. Let's move on to flight control and features. The ATTOP mini drone is designed to be easy to control, making it suitable for kids and beginners. It has one key takeoff landing, altitude hold to maintain a certain height, and even multiple control modes including remote, app, and voice control. With features like 360 degrees flips and trajectory flight, you can have a lot of fun with this mini drone. The RADCLO mini drone with camera also offers easy control with its one key takeoff landing button. It has stable altitude hold, ensuring a steady flight for capturing high-quality footage. Additionally, it comes with a range of functions including high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, and 3D flips. Whether you're a beginner or a skilled player, this drone has something for everyone. Now let's talk about design and portability. The ATTOP mini drone features a foldable arm design, allowing you to fold it into the controller. This compact size makes it easy to carry, and it's perfect for kids to take along on their adventures. It's also recommended for indoor use, so it's a great option if you're looking for a drone to enjoy indoors. On the other hand, the RADCLO mini drone with camera comes with a larger body size. However, it compensates for the size with a carrying case, making it convenient for outdoor travel. With two 800 mAh batteries, it offers a flight time of up to 22 minutes, which is impressive for a mini drone. So, if you're planning outdoor adventures and need a longer flight time, the RADCLO mini drone might be the one for you. Overall, customers have praised the ATTOP mini drone for its affordability and easy control. They love how it allows them to capture HD pictures and videos, and the FPV experience is a big plus. On the other hand, the RADCLO mini drone with camera has received positive feedback for its advanced camera capabilities and versatile features. Customers appreciate the wider field of view and the ability to share their high-quality footage easily. Both drones have their unique advantages, so it ultimately comes down to personal preference. And that wraps up our comparison of the ATTOP mini drone and the RADCLO mini drone with camera. Both drones have their unique features and advantages, so it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. If you're on a budget and looking for a reliable option, the ATTOP mini drone is a great choice. But if you're willing to invest a bit more for advanced camera capabilities and longer flight time, the RADCLO mini drone might be the one for you. Remember, always do your research and choose the drone that best suits your requirements. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.